Okay, here's my 1986 18-foot Hallett Jet that's for sale. Very clean boat. Glass is in excellent condition, as you can see. Trailer is also in good condition. Got aluminum rims on the trailer. We have lots of anodized parts on this boat. We have a manual place diverter there. We got a great stereo system with 8 speakers total, 2 12s. Very loud and clean sounding. Gas tanks are all aluminum, dual tanks, both 20 gallons, so a total of 40 gallons on the tanks. Nice fiberglass scoop. Freshly redone swim steps. Berkley Jet. We also have a custom pull down swim step. Makes it easy to get in and out of the water. I also have a Bimini top for it, which has its own cover. It's in good condition. Gives you some good shade. The interior is new, 2 years new. Not a rip, tear, or stain throughout the whole interior. Also, the carpet is brand new, 2 years new. The floor was re-glassed before the carpet was put down. Under the deck lid we have a big block Chevy with a B&M mini blower. Lots of chrome, steel braided lines, polished aluminum, brand new through transom basset headers that are water injected. The block, the complete motor has a full rebuild with less than 50 hours since the rebuild. 2 brand new batteries with a diverter switch. It's got a new cam. It has new bearings, new flat top pistons. The whole block was tanked, so all new gaskets, all new bearings throughout the motor. MSD ignition, Holley carb, and even has a toolbox mounted. And that's my 86 Hallett Jet. Turnkey, ready to go. Give me a call. My name is Brian, area code 310-634-5823.